Well, hello and welcome to another Wind Up Wednesday. How you doing, Saff? You alright?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am very good. I am doing good. You're doing alright, aren't you? Because you're a bit of a winning streak. I can't talk this morning. You're a bit of a winning streak.
I know. I'm so happy. I feel very confident now. I've got my confidence back that I can beat you at a lot of games. So bring it. Competition's on.
Well, with that, why don't you tell us what we're doing today then?
Today's game is called Back Bucket. Bucket back. Back bucket. Pick a licker. No.
Wow. Saffron. Say that name again. Say that name again. What was that name? What was that name? Back bucket. We'll go with back bucket. Saffron, why don't you tell everyone what back bucket is all about?
Okay, it's where we have a bucket on our back and it's filled with loads of ping pong balls. We have little litter pickers, grabber things.
Is that what you're trying to say? Litter picker, not lick it, pick it.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And with them, we have to grab them and get them out. And as many, we'll do 60 seconds. The person that can get most out in 60 seconds wins.
What's the name?
Back bucket.
And what's it not called?
Pick it, lick it.
Check this out. 3, 2, 1, go! 1. Wow! 4. 3, 2, 1, stop!
2, 1. That's such cheating. Okay, that was quite entertaining watching you do that. Quite funny.
I can't believe you didn't tell me that,
It was just funny watching you go.
I've just realised I've noticed there's 2 more over here. I hadn't counted. Let's go add to my tally.
Got to. Okay, how many did I get?
I don't know, I didn't get
I got 27. I got 27. How many did you get?
With those 2, I got 38! Champion!
Champion for the...
Oh, Saffron, what was that saying about confident winning streak? What were you saying?
That I think it's only fair that every now and then you let the other person win. So, there we go. Have a good week, guys.